Yeah, Jen, Republican Dominic Rapini would have gone head-to-head against Democrat Stephanie Thomas, but this debate canceled just hours before it was scheduled to kick off. Event organizers, Connecticut Public, and the League of Women Voters citing unforeseen circumstances as the cause. In the past few hours, both candidates releasing statements. Rapini says he personally called Thomas to inform her of this news. He added his team is actively working to reschedule this important forum. In an email, Thomas says she's very disappointed Rapini is unable to participate and voters deserve the opportunity to learn more about the stark differences in their platforms. No word yet on when this rescheduled debate could take place. Now, to an issue front and center for Democrats since the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in June, abortion. This morning, local leaders responded after Republican Senator Lindsey Graham introduced a federal bill earlier this week to ban abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy nationwide. State leaders say this proposal will not be tolerated in Connecticut. Attorney General William Tong saying he will do everything to make sure abortion remains safe, legal, and accessible. Here, state Dems taking aim at Republican gubernatorial candidate Bob Stefanowski, likening him to former President Donald Trump, calling on Stefanowski to stand up against what Tong calls extremists in the Republican Party. Stefanowski responding with a statement today saying he is vehemently opposed to any proposed federal ban on abortion that would seek to supersede state law. And sticking with Stefanowski, an update today in his lawsuit with the state and Connecticut Independent Party. He sued the party after he lost the independent nomination in a tie-break vote. This afternoon, the judge in this case ruled against Stefanowski. His team claimed the independent party flagrantly violated their own bylaws and in a statement called the ruling disappointing, adding the court agreed minor party chairmen can choose to effectively ignore their own bylaws in order to achieve a desired political result. Stefanowski doesn't plan to appeal, saying his team respects the court's decision and is moving forward.
Emma, what does this loss mean for Stefanowski's campaign?
Jen, well, this is definitely a blow to his campaign. He did have the independent party's endorsement back during his 2018 run. Now, he is still on the ballot in November, but just once as the Republican nominee. Stefanowski's lawsuit didn't actually seek to give him the independent party line, but to completely remove it from the ballot. With this ruling, independent ticket of Rob Hoteling and Chip Beckett remains on the November ballot.
Yep, and Governor Ned Lamont and Susan Bysiewicz on the ballot 3 times this coming November.